words, Bupleurum calms down the systemic immune system tremendously, even as it's boosting local immunity. And Scutellaria boosts local immunity, even as it's calming down systemic inflammation.
Yeah.
So both plants are doing heavy lifting in both major requirements. Scutellaria and ginseng have a bit of an adaptogenic anti-stress type of effect.
Yeah.
Why is that important? Because an animal that's stressed, and a lot of them are if they're chronically itchy and uncomfortable, an animal that's stressed secretes a lot of cortisol.
Yeah.
Cortisol acts as a local immune suppressant, which allows bad guy bacteria to proliferate. So having an anti-stress component to a skin formula seemed like it was really important.